Hello everyone, and welcome to the lecture on company matching sites. In this lecture, we're going to learn what a company matching site is. We're going to look at various company matching sites, and you can check out the next lecture for a continuously updated list of links. So don't worry about marking down the websites we're going to check out. In the next lecture, there's a list of all the links you can check out yourself. So let's go ahead and jump to the browser to check out the sites and get an explanation of what we mean by company matching sites. Okay, so the first site we're going to talk about and give you the premise for what a company matching site is hired.com. H-I-R-E-D, Hired. So this is one of the most famous of these sort of company matching sites. And what you basically do, and this is the premise for all of these type of sites, is you fill out a profile, answer some questions, and if you're applying for a technical position, such as a programmer or developer, you'll get some sort of technical challenge that's timed on some sort of website or browser interface. You do the challenge, and if you pass the challenge, then you get matched with employers looking to hire candidates. Hired in particular, you answer a few questions, do their challenge if you're applying for a technical position, and then companies send you offers and they give you the compensation they would provide you with up front. So you know right away whether an interview process is worth going over. Again, these are really interview offers. They don't give you straight up job offers. You still have to interview with the company. But if you're lucky enough to get a job through Hired, you'll get a $2,000 bonus from Hired. A really similar website is White Truffle. Again, one application, one profile. You pass some sort of coding challenge and you get matched with a couple thousand companies. Okay, next site we're going to talk about is Indeed Prime. So Indeed Prime, same thing as White Truffle and Hired. I know we talked about Indeed.com, which was a basic job search tool, but Indeed Prime, you fill out a profile, pass a technical challenge, and if you get matched with a company and take the offer, you get a $5,000 signing bonus from Indeed. If you're interested in working at a startup, you can check out Underdog.io, which is the same thing as the other sites, except it's focused on startups. If you're wanting to work at a YC startup, so Y Combinator is an incubator for startups. It's probably the most famous one in existence. If you're interested in YC startups in general, you can go to triplebyte.com. That's Triple Byte, B-Y-T-E. And it will connect you after applying and passing their technical interview with YC startups. And then finally, there's Anthology. It used to be called Poachable, but it's the same thing. You create a profile and you get better job matches using what they call confidential data, so private employer data. All right, go ahead and go to the next lecture. Check out the links. Again, you should really study your stuff and know coding problems well before you check out these sites. All right, thanks everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.